stronger than me. You've been here 7 years longer than me. Don't you know you're supposed to be the man?
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. In today's video we'll be working with Megalook hair. I feel like this hair just makes me feel so beautiful. I just look so different. Like, these highlights are eating. And this gorgeous wig is actually from Megalook. They went ahead and sent me their P1B/30 lace frontal wig, 13x4 in 22 inches, and body wave. As you guys can see in today's video, I show you guys how I did this glueless install, as well as how I cut, layer, curl, and pin my hair up and set it in order for it to look just like this. I feel like gorgeous, okay, gorgeous. Not getting any tangles. This hair on overall, I'd honestly give it a 10 out of 10. So don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase, because they have a whole bunch of coupons, discounts, and a whole lot more going on over at Megalook. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Bitch, no underwear. 2020 gon' pull up an egg, yeah. Bitch, I know where you can go. Uber everywhere, yeah. Take my bitch everywhere. We be getting money everywhere, yeah. They don't even know. They be throwing shade everywhere. My heart is good, yeah, it's pure, yeah. You know that I need your love, yeah. Energy follow me, but I don't see that soul, yeah. Have a little faith in me, yeah. It's all I need, yeah. Baby, you're all I need, yeah. You're my dream. Bitch, no underwear. 2020 gon' pull up an egg, yeah. Bitch, I know where you can go. Uber everywhere, yeah. Take my bitch everywhere. We be getting money everywhere, yeah. They don't even know. They be throwing shade everywhere. Baby, give me space, yeah. Give me time. I don't even scream 'cause I know you mine. All these haters out trying to take the smile. All these haters out trying to take the smile. I heard about a bitch called she make it
I am back with my final look, and this gorgeous unit is from Megalook Hair. They went ahead and sent me this P1B/number 30 body wave unit. It is pretty much like a highlight unit. It is in 22 inches, and I am living for the layers I put in this hair. This hair is just like all around gorgeous, and I'm just loving these curls. These curls actually sat for about an hour plus while I was doing a bit of cleaning up around my house, and now I'm back to show you guys how this hair looks after it's been set. From using pin curls, you could achieve this look with rollers and some hairspray. It's almost like a hair texture spray, and I'm loving this new spray from Sebastian that I'm using. So it's the Sebastian Shaper spray. This is what it looks like. I get mine from either Ulta or CVS. It depends on how far I'm willing to drive. But this gorgeous wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. And so with that being said, they went ahead and did something so different. They bleached the knots. It came pre-plugged. The cap is a dome cap, which is super easy to work with, super breathable, super stretchable, and you don't have to worry about your wig going anywhere because there's also an adjustable band in the back. So you can detach it if your head is a bit bigger, but honestly right now with the adjustable strap, this wig is feeling nice and snug, and it is also 100% glueless. So I'm sure if I yank it here, yank it there, it is not going anywhere, and I'm just loving the color on my skin tone. I feel like I ate this. Like, it looks really, really good. And thank you so much to Megalook Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. You always do your big one. I love working with Megalook. The few times I have worked with them, they send nothing but good quality. If you are ready and got your coins and card out to purchase, don't forget to check the description box because there is a whole bunch of discount codes, coupons of the sort, and their social medias, their wig page is on there too for you to go ahead and shop. And I also have the direct link to this unit on the website, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.